Okay, this is the USDA soil texture triangle. Okay, so if you look at this is our soil texture triangle. Okay, so what we do is we got three different sides, our clay, our silt, and our sand. These are our three main soil textures. So you see a lot of numbers. These 0 to 100, this is percentages that we're talking about, okay? So we see a lot of words, clay, sandy clay. These are all the possible specific soil textures that are possible, okay? Each plant has its own preference, so there's no such thing as a perfect soil texture. We need to know that before we begin. Okay, we're going to go to our number one thing. Here's our number one scenario. If you have 50% clay, 30% silt, and 20% sand, what texture will it be? I like to do mine like this. I like to use 50% clay. I use me a red. Okay, make a dot at each of the sides. Okay, I go use another color. All right, we have 30% silt. And then finally, sand, we have 20% sand. Okay, what we do is we then draw our lines. Okay, you got to do it straight side to side. We went from the sand side to the clay side, okay? You can't zigzag around, okay? Now we're going to do our silt. Okay, and finally we're going to do our clay. Now if you notice, you can see where all these intersect. The specific soil texture in this is going to be clay, where all three lines intersect. Now we're going to go to our next problem. If you have 20% clay, 40% silt, I said loam, excuse me. I meant 40% sand, okay? So let's go to our, if you have 20% clay, excuse me. So we're going to make a dot like we just did. Then we're going to go to our 40% silt, dot there, and go to our sand. We have 40% sand. Okay, last time we're going to start here, make our lines. Okay, then we're going to go to our silt. Okay, you can already see where all three of these lines intersect, which is in the loam. Okay, you may ask yourself, Mr. Dale, why does this matter? Why do we need to know how to do this? Because if you have a soil test and someone said you have 50% clay in your soil, what does it matter? Okay, why is this important? You say, well, you'll kind of know what your possible soil textures are, okay? Now here's our next one. Okay, if you have 30% sand and 40% silt, how much clay is in the texture? So if you know how to do a percentage, the maximum percentage you can have is a 100. So you do 30 plus 40, that equals 70. Now you subtract that from 100 equals 30. All right, so you have 30% clay. And then what is the texture class? So we got to solve this like usual. Okay, we have 30% clay, okay, 40% silt, and 30% sand. Okay, so all you had to do on this was just add one more step in, which was subtracting. Okay, it seems a lot harder, but overall, knowing how to work a soil texture triangle, by the way, that answer was clay loam. After you get used to this, you'll automatically kind of guess which soil texture it is, okay? And this is important so that we know what soil texture we have and what the ideal plant would be for it. Okay? So thank you and have a good day.